Yay! Oh.
Those of you with curly hair, have you ever experienced this? He's smart, he's fun. He is the CEO of the avian world. Who needs a sauna when you have a summer in Texas? This horse has hired a new barber. Let's see what trend they can create. Behold! The humpback whales are weaving a Fibonacci spiral in the cold Antarctic waters. Who can guess the purpose of this action?
Coco.
This one.
Next one.
Well, no worries. At least their reaction will be a memorable part of the video.
Babe! Babe!
Who is it?
It's me, Daddy.
What?
Yeah. It's me, Babe. I'm your husband.
When your little makeup artist decides it's time for a makeover session, save your wow. Get out the way! Get out the way! Show us your best tree dance moves, Mr. Grizzly. You are 1 inch away from victory. When your van decides to strike a pose with a funky tire, it's gonna be a great adventure. As we conclude the video, let's remember, find beauty in every moment. Hit like, share, and subscribe, and until next time.